Good morning, student. See, in this session we are learning about the synthetic fibers and plastics. We already completed the thermosetting plastics, thermoplastics, and their differences also completed. Now, in this session we have to learn about the useful properties of the plastics. Nowadays, plastic is a most useful. See, we are using the plastics in various in our activities. Plastics is a penetrating with our life. Plastic is a very important nowadays. We are using the various types of plastics. See first we have to learn the some properties of the plastics. See, plastic is a chemically unreactive. See, first point is a plastic is chemically unreactive. Chemically unreactive. See, we have to see the plastic do not react with the water and oxygen due to the plastic are resistant to corrosion. See, we have to see the plastic is a do not reacting with air and water, and we are calling the corrosion. It is not affected by weather. It is not affected by weather also. See, unaffected by various chemicals including the acid, bases. See, we have to see the nowadays is using the chemicals in a plastic bottle. We have to see the in our laboratory. It is a hydrochloric acid is a using the plastic only. See, so many acids, so many food items also is using the plastics. For example, we are storing these milk in plastic bottle. Next, various types of juices is a secret using the plastic bottles only. We have to see in the shops. See, aerated drinks also, soft drinks also, it is using in the plastic only, because the soft drinks is a acid or basic nature is there. See, we have to using the this like storing of chemicals, and it is a so many including the acid and bases also storing pickles is storing in a plastic. See, it is a underreactive. Next, we have to see these plastics is using the covering of the metals. Covering of the metals, we have to see the household. See, at our home, so it is a wires is there. See, this is a, for example, copper wire is there. Copper wire, it is a using this plastic. Plastic is a coating upper surface. This is a plastic. See, it do not react with any moisture, air and water. Next, the plastic is using plastics are poor conductor of heat and electricity. Plastic are poor conductor of heat and electricity. Heat and electricity. See, plastic is a poor conductor. We have to see the plastic is a poor conductor of heat and electricity. See, we have to see the so many vessels, the holders, holding. So it is a with the help of the plastic only. That's why it is a plastics is a poor conductor of heat and electricity. See, cooker handle, see, pan handle, we are using the so it is a thermoset plastic handles. See, it doesn't conduct the electricity. You already learned the heat lesson in 7th standard. See, heat. See, heat is a conducting the A point to B point. So it is a conducting this like A point to B point. For example, see, we hold the A point and B point for see this is a candle, and if you burn our end, see here we burning, what will happen? Heat is a conduction, this like conducting the heat A point to B point. See this like this is a metal is there. If we insulating is there here, see insulating is a coating, it is a holder. See, it doesn't conduct the electricity. It doesn't conduct the heat and electricity. We have to see the screwdriver. Screwdriver is a insulator is there, and it is a this part is a metals, and see we doesn't get the any electric shock. That's why it is a plastics are poor conductor of heat and electricity. At our home we have to see the so many see electric wires is there. It is a coating on the plastic. See this like coating a plastic. See this is a copper wire and this is a plastic. Plastic doesn't conduct the electricity. See, is it clear? Now we have to go to the third point. See what said? Plastics can be molded into the different shapes. Plastic can be molded into different shapes. We have to see the plastics is a molding into the different shapes. We have to see the water bottle. See their shape is a different. See we have to see the this is a water bottle. See it is a different shape is there. Next we have to see the this is a chemical bottle. It is a different shape is there. We have to see the at our home it is a different shapes of the plastics is present at our home. Next we have to see the in a market also different types of see it is a different at our home also we have to see the bucket is a different shape is there, mug is a different shape is there, drum is a different shape is there. Means we can make a desirable shape. We have to make the this like shapes of the these plastics. And fourth one, see plastics are quite cheap and easily made. Plastics are quite cheap and easily made. What's it? See we have to see the plastics is a very quite cheap. See easily available the plastic. See if you go to the market, see we are getting the polythene bags, water bottles, any plastics very less expensive, very cheap compared to the metals. Okay. Next, easily made. It can made the easily these plastics. Plastics is a nowadays we have to go to the any shopping mall or any groceries. See in a market, see number of plastics is available is there. See we are getting that plastic from see this like quite cheap and easily available. Plastics is light and strong, more durable. Plastic is is plastic is light, strong, and what's it? It is a durable. See what's it? Plastic is a lightweight is there. We have to see the different types of plastics. We have to take the metal bottle and plastic bottle. See which is a more weight? See it is a absolutely right. It is a plastic bottle only is a lightweight is there compared to the metal bottle. See metal vessels. At our home we have to see the number of this plastic is there. Plastic. See we are storing the water. We are storing the pickles. See we are storing the so many acid, bases. See it is a, for example, we have to see at our home. At our home, your mother is keeping the pickles in plastic bottle. Plastic bottle. See plastic can. Because of you have to ask one to mother. See mother, why do not storing the these pickles in a metal vessels? Okay, metal jar. Because mother is saying, see these pickles is a acidic in nature. It will be react with these metals and make a hole. See that's why we are not storing these pickles in a metal vessels. We are storing these pickles in a plastic vessels. See China vessels. Next glass jar. Glass bottles also is there. They do not reacting. See next these are a very strong. We have to see the drum. Water storing drum is there. It is a very strong. So many plastics is a very strong. We have to see the thermostatic plastic. It is a very strong. See melamine, bakelite, Teflon. It is a very strong. That's why it is using the boards. Okay, switches, regulators. It can't conduct the electricity. It can't get the heat also. That's why we are using it is a strong also. Strong plastics. It is a giving to the more days service compared to the see metal vessels. It will give into the more services, more durables. See that's why it is storing the food, water, milk, juice, pickle, soft drinks. Next we are using these plastics. We have to see so many vehicles is there. It is using this plastic for different types of parts. See we have to see here our bike parts, cars, aeroplanes, spacecraft. It is various types of using the plastics. Next we have to see the biodegradable and non-biodegradable material. I think biodegradable and non-biodegradable. What is biodegradable? See biodegradable means which can easily decompose with the help of microbes. We are calling the biodegradable. See biodegradable. See biodegradable a material which get decomposed through natural process. See we are calling the biodegradable process. We have to see such as action of the bacteria, plants, animals, waste material. See it is for example we have to see at our field it is a after harvested the crops, it is a waste material is there, plenty of waste material. The waste material is reacting with the water and oxygen, it will be decomposing. In the presence of microbes, it will be converted into the manure. See, if converting this manure, see what will happen? Our land is getting the fertile land. See, unfertile land, fertile land. That's why it is a waste material. You have to see. Nowadays, we have to collect the different, see, organic matter and inorganic matter. Organic matter such as, see, plant waste materials, animal waste. Next, you have to separate the plastic waste materials, and see, iron articles, metals, we have to separate keep. Which one is decomposing? See, exactly correct. It is a decomposing the plant and animal waste material. It can easily decomposing in the presence of microbes. Okay, see, this is a biodegradable materials. Biodegradable. Next, we have to see the non-biodegradable. See, biodegradable is a eco-friendly. Eco-friendly means it can easily decomposing. We are calling the biodegradable. Next, we have to see the non-biodegradable. What is non-biodegradable? See, non-biodegradable, the material which is not easily decomposed by natural process. The material which cannot decomposing by the natural process, we are calling the non-biodegradable. See, we have to see the such as action of bacteria, microbes, and see, non-biodegradable plastic, tin, metals, iron, nails. See, these are a non-biodegradables. Aluminum cans, so it is a non-biodegradable. That's why our central government and state government, they are taking the action of the completely ban of the plastic, using of polythene covers, plastic bags. See, it is a not nowadays is a not using. See, instead of these plastics, we have to take the jute bags, cotton bags. We have to use again and again. See, we should not pollute our environment, because if I using the excess of this plastic, what will happen? We are throwing these plastics. For example, so many members who is living in the cities, they are living in the villas. It is a 4th floor, 5th floor, which is remaining the food substances at night. Early morning, they are tying the food substances in the carry bags and it is throwing in the garbage. If you are throwing these food material in a garbage, so many animals is there, cow, buffaloes, next so many animals is eating along with the carry bags. What will happen? The carry bag is stuck in their digestive system. What will happen? They will get the diseases. That's why we should not throw these plastics in a garbage or outside. We should not burn these plastics also. If you burning these plastics, these are emitting the carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide gases also. These gases is very harmful to our respiration. See, we are getting so many respiratory diseases also. See, completely avoiding to using of the plastics. Okay. Next, we have to see it is a non-biodegradable material, is a not eco-friendly to our environment. See, we have to completely ban using of plastics.